Welcome back. So it's time for section 2 of the beginners section of this course. And this is where we start being active, which means we will do things while meditating. And since this is the beginners section, we will do things, simple things, while keeping the mantra going. And learning how to meditate while doing something is very powerful, because that means you are slowly learning how to be in your innate silence, your innate peace, while living your daily life. Just imagine how the world would look if everyone were in touch with their inner peace while going about their day. And so this will be a lot more difficult than simply laying down or sitting in a chair. But as you learn to master it, it might profoundly change your life into something better. And so, let's get on with it.